So today we're doing a 2005. It's a ML500 V8. We're replacing the engine today. So we got the new one that came in, and we gotta replace this one. So it's a big job. All right.
Maybe times you put there was a jack under the transmission.
The jack no like yeah. Oh, the jack with the rifle back.
It's okay though. It's still Davis.
Hold on. So it was pretty easy. If we would have just installed that, but we have a problem when they send it from wherever it came from. It messed up a couple of the cables. So now we have to do the whole cable again. Take them from that to in here, which is a lot of work added on this. So that's the bigger issue of that. But we'll take care of it. I already took out the old ones out because they were more destroyed. We didn't actually put them well, so give us another couple hours to do all that. Okay, my people.